So, what can you say? Hi, vlog.
Baka mamaya hindi ako makasalita.
Wow! Love you.
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or
With my ninong. Doon nga yung ina-expect ko. Doon lang kami sa may lumabas sa dilim. Tapos dito yung ano. Paano ako nag-propose? Iyan nga!
Kapag ano pag...
exchange our hellos.
Di mo palabas na ako.
Wasn't looking out for you. I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. But I'm still looking forward to watching you look deadly hollow.
Dito ka! Dito ka!
And I don't care if I got much at all here in this small town. 'Cause in the end we're all buried deep inside the same hole in the ground.
I wanna make you smile whenever you say.
Ako mamagaw.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ayaw mag-kiss. I-kiss mo na ate, isang... Iya nga daw. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Kiss naman?
Natanda mo si...
Nangingialam ka sa lagi.
Siyang kuha natin yung Ansel. Yung sa ano? Yung sa...
Patingin ang sing-sing ate. Wow!
Make you smile whenever you say, carry you out when your pride is bad. All I wanna do is go home with you. I'll get your medicine when your tummy aches, build you a fire if the furnace breaks. Oh, it would be so nice going home with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold.
Coming soon, Mr. and Mrs.
Feed you,
Flaminius
even
Tagufa.
let you hold the remote control.
Ate, yun na yung lalabas.
So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink, put you to bed when you've had too much to drink.
See you at the wedding. Guys, see you at the wedding. Bye! Ate, dito ko babay para may... Bye! Bye! Ang lamig ka!
Hi Nicole, congratulations on your wedding. Best wishes for both of you.
Sayang, wala kami dyan, but we're so happy. Congrats, guys.
Wishing you a long and happy marriage, guys. Congrats ulit. Congrats!
Flammy and Nicole. Flammy and Nicole. Fla, call, fla, call. Congratulations, congratulations. Congratulations, congratulations. Congrats, Flammy and Nicole. Woo!
Grabe, naalala mo nun, nagkukopyahan lang tayo.
Lang.
Tapos si Nicole,
Pageant queen.
yeah! Wish you,
All the best.
wish you happiness.
Love everlasting.
Humayo kayo
Congratulations, Don and Nicole. Unang-una, gusto kong sabihin kay Don na even though hindi ako ganun ka-expressive na pinsan, hindi tayo ganun, masyadong nag-bond nung umuwi ka dito. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na as your kuya, as your nakakatandang pinsan, gusto ko lang sabihin na super proud ako of what you've become. Sobrang nakaka-proud yung character development mo since childhood hanggang ngayon na from your experiences, sinubog ka ng panahon na maging ganyan. Kumbaga parang sobrang generous mo, sobrang mature mo mag-isip. And yun yung isa sa qualities na talagang nakaka-wow para sa akin. And para naman kay Nicole, since si Nicole is nakita ko siya, nakasama ko siya nung college. First year siya noon, then upperclassmen kami noon. And I can say and I can vouch that Nicole is such a very lovely and kind person. Very bubbly pa siya. Alam mo yung parang yung patience niya, yung attitude niya and yung perspective niya and outlook niya sa life is very admirable. And to the both of you, I know that marriages aren't meant to be perfect, but sa mga challenges na kakaharapin nyo, I know that both of you will work together and conquer it. So congratulations again.
Hello, Flammy and Nicole. So, andito ako para magbigay ng konting idea sa mga nanonood dyan. So, saan man kayo? About sa kung paano daw nag-start yung relationship nyo. And TBH, hindi ko alam. Kasi never ko naman naging kaklase si Nicole and si Flam nung 3rd year lang. Eh sabi nila, nag-start na daw na magka-crush si Flammy kay Nicole nung first year high school. And that's 12 years. 12 years na yun. Tapos, ang nababalitaan ko lang, hindi ko sure kung kanino ba nagsuot ng polo si Flammy for Christmas party. Kay Nicole yata eh. Kasi ayun, pero never sila nagka-chance, nagka-relationship. As far as I know. Nung high school. Not until nung 2020, umuwi si Flammy for the first time. 2019, mga ganun. Yung pandemic. Tapos, umuwi siya, tapos, nag-usap na pala sila before pa siya umuwi na. You know, nag-get together kami with our high school friends, tapos, ayun, na-invite si Nicole doon. Gulat kaming lahat. O, baka ako lang. Tapos yan, nag-usap na pala sila beforehand. And, ano yun, parang overnight. Tapos, may time pa nun na nag-uusap si Nicole tsaka si Margo. Na parang enjoyin muna nila yung single life, ganyan. Sobrang tawang-tawa ako dito. Tapos kinaumagahan, need na ni Flammy umuwi pa Isabela. May si Nicole, hinatid si Flam sa airport. And, okay, sabi ko, okay. Kung dito alam na magulang mo, Nicole, sorry po. Alam niyo na ngayon. Kasi yun, sakto, umuwi kami ni Isabela. And, andun pa rin si Nicole. And, ayun, feel ko dun talaga nag-start. Then, need na ni Flam umuwi. So, nag-LDR sila. And yeah, it worked. Grabe ang tapang, sobra. Kasi sabi ko, ito na yun. Sila na. For sure. Tapos nakita ko yung legit, inaabangan ko na lang na may engagement na mangyari. And super saya ko nung nalaman ko. Ayun lang naman, sa amin and Nicole, I'm really happy. Sobra. And, I wish you nothing but the best talaga. Lalo kapag nag-start na yung relationship together as, as husband and wife and all. And yeah, mahal ko kayo palagi. Ayun lang naman, naisiwalat ko na. Bye-bye. Sana magkita tayo.
Hi guys. Hi Flam.
Hi, Nicole.
Congrats on your engagement.
So, yes. Nung
I think Flam and Nicole got close nung parang around pre-pandemic, ganyan. And I'm not surprised. And I'm really happy that they found their way to each other besides the long years that have gone by. And despite the distance then, so I think when they started, parang LDR sila agad. And that's tough. Pero despite the LDR and other things in between, they managed to push through. And I'm so excited, guys, in this chapter of their lives. And parang kailan lang very lang tayo ng high school, students lang. And oh my God, may engaged na couple. So, ayun.
Wishing you all happiness and love together. Uwi kayo ng Pilipinas daw.
Kasi guys, kung hindi kayo uuwi, ila-livestream niya yan. Tapos yung livestream, ilagay niya sa link below. Joke lang. Kung hindi, i-enact nyo guys. Charot lang. Ayun lang. Congrats guys. Bye-bye.
Don, Nicole, congrats sa wedding day nyo. I wish both of you a marriage life full of laughter, adventure, at walang katapusang source ng pasensya. Nicole, it's official. Welcome to the family. O sure ka na kay Don na walang bawian. No refund, no return. Don, pinsan, dalawa lang marirecommend ko sa'yo. Itong dalawa lang na to, sapat na. Yung una, yes, Mrs. And yung pangalawa, I'm sorry, Mrs. Yun lang. Sabi nga nila. And from experience, happy wife equals happy life. Ito seryoso na. We couldn't be happier for the both of you. Gustong-gusto sana namin umattend, kaso sobrang layo ng Canada. Pero okay lang, pwede nyo naman i-celebrate ulit pag uwi nyo dito. Here's to a lifetime of growth, happiness, and love. Cheers, Mr. and Mrs. Tagufa.
To Flammy and Nicole, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Hindi ako makapaniwala, pero kung kahapon lang nung nagliligawan pa lang kayo sa swimming pool sa Rizal. But anyways, yung nga sabi ko, I'm very thankful na kayo magkakatuluyan. I know na pares kayo may mabuting puso, pero si Flammy medyo may kalokohan in the sense na sa kaibigan. So, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam yan, si Flammy yan po ang leader sa kalokohan nung kami ay high school. And si Cole naman, naging dormmate ko. Magkasama kami for how many years din sa isang tirahan. And sa isang dorm. And naging partner ko sa JS Prom. So, napakaraming memories na chini-cherish ko sa inyong dalawa. And yun nga, I'm very thankful for the memories and the friendship na meron tayo. And sana kahit na kayo magkakaroon na ng married life, sana meron pa rin time na magkita-kita tayo wherever. So yun, thank you for all the friendship and the memories that we guys had. And yun, I hope to see you guys around kahit kung saan tayo pwede magkita. So yun lang, congratulations ulit, and may God bless you and your family.
Hi, Gumi, my love. Hi, Flam. So I just wanted to congratulate both of you on your wedding day. Mixed emotions, very, very happy, and at the same time sad kasi hindi kami makakapunta dyan to celebrate with you guys. And Gumi, you're now married. Welcome to the club. Before lang, parang pinag-uusapan natin kung sino yung mauuna sa ating tatlo nila, Jess. Wala natin si Jess yung una, susunod ka, tapos ako yung last. But it turned out, ako yung nauna. And then ikaw naman. Welcome to the club talaga. And kidding aside, super, super happy ako for you kasi seeing you so in love, so happy, and now you're marrying the man of your dreams. Masaya yung puso ko kasi I know your heartbreaks before, nung una-una pa lang tayong magkaibigan. Kaya thankful din ako kay Flam kasi nakikita ko sa mga stories nyo kung gaano ka rin niya kamahal and gaano ka rin niya inaalagaan. You're such an amazing, loving, and supportive friend, and I know that you always had a big heart, and now you're gonna share that heart forever with someone who truly loves you. Kaya, wala, sobrang saya ko lang for the both of you. Welcome to the married life. And here's to forever. Sana magkaroon na ng baby. Char! Kapag ready na kayo. Yun lang, I just wanted to congratulate you and I love you both so much. Bye!
Hi Nicole! So it's 11 p.m. here in the Philippines. And yeah, Mommy and Yolo here. So your husband, Nox husband! Messaged me earlier. He requested for a video. That's specially for you. So hindi na ako dalawang isip. Ito na yan, me. Ayun lang, wag ka ng kabahan. Wag ka ng kabahan. Surrender mo na lahat ng worries mo kay Lord kasi andyan na si Flam. And yeah, pinagsama kayo for a reason. And that reason would end to something beautiful right after your wedding. Wedding na talaga, oh my God. Parang last year or last month ko parang niloloko na sana ikasal na kayo. Ayun lang, super happy ko for you both. And sana kung umuwi man kayo or mag-decide kayo umuwi or mag-visit dito sa Philippines, huwag kayong magdalawang isip magsabi. Yes, we're all busy, but we make time. Diba? Lalo pag walang duty, syempre. And all. Nag-eat kayo palagi, and I really hope the simple ceremony would be fun and filled with love, for sure. Oh my God, excited na ako sa itsura mo. Congrats na agad, in advance. And I love you both.
Hey yo! Congratulations nga po kay Brother Flammy and kay Nicole Gumiran. Best wishes sa inyong dalawa at sana patuloy-tuloy pa yung blessings na dumating sa inyo, and yun lang.
Hi Don and Nicole! Best wishes! Na-surprise kayo, ano? Parang hindi pwede na hindi ako mag-message sa inyo. Ha? Kahit nag-message si Mama at saka si Paulo, gusto ko rin mag-message para sa inyong dalawa. Talaga, God is so good. Nakita ko kung paano yung love at saka caring ninyo sa isa't isa nung nandun tayo sa Coron. Talagang soulmate kayong dalawa. Ha? Alam nyo yan, nakita ko, nakita namin, na-observe namin. Doon, alam ko, mahal na mahal mo si Nicole. Naramdaman namin, na-witnessan namin. Ha? Isa kang napaka-responsableng kuya para kay Danica at saka napaka-responsableng kapatid para kay Denden. Ganon din, napaka-responsableng anak para kina papa mo at mama mo. Nakita ko rin kay Nicole yung kanyang concern sa kanyang family. Panganay siya eh. Kahit wala si mama niya, nandun yung concern niya sa mga kapatid niya. So, best wishes. Sana kaagad may apo. So, napakagandang pagkakataon na pumunta si Nicole dyan. Talagang gumawa ng paraan si Lord para mas lalong mapag-isa kayong dalawa. So, ito na nga. Just remember, nandyan yung sa pag-aasawa, respect, caring, at saka love. Yung sa mga in-laws, nandun yung respect palagi. So, congratulations, best wishes. Bye!